backfire here came from the fact that the night before I was trying to start it and I couldn't get it started because I wasn't getting any spark. But I kind of figured that out on this morning and I fixed the issue. But fuel still
You
remained
all right?
in the
You heard that?
Yeah.
It'll be a
in the
backfire. Here's the job.
cylinders.
Oh,
So
okay.
It might do it again.
that's why it was. You'll see in a second that once I turn it over again, it actually starts and runs, and it runs until that fuel that was up in there is all used up. But then you'll see after it cuts off, I go over to actually temporarily install my fuel pump wire, and then it's gonna actually run almost like it should.